So basically these identities are useful when you do bigger higher level properties in triangles. Okay, these things are fundamentals. Like when you add two trigonometric identities and you want to convert that into product of two different trigonometric identities, these are the fundamentals. Okay, when you add sin a plus sin b, you get 2 sin a plus b by 2 and cos a minus b by 2. Likewise sin a minus sin b and cos c plus cos t and cos c minus cos t.
Yes, sir.
So right, so these are must. And what is sin 2a?
Yes, sir.
Sin 2a is simply 2 sin a cos a. Okay, and what is cos 2a? Cos 2a can be written as cos square a minus sin square a, or 1 minus 2 sin square a, or 2 cos square a minus 1. How did you get these things? Because we know sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, right? Similarly,
Yes.
cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So if you just equate a is equal to b, you will get sin 2a and cos 2a, and you will get cos square a minus sin square a, and you can also write cos square a as 1 minus sin square a. So I will get 1 minus 2 sin square a, or else you can write sin square a as 1 minus cos square a. So I will get 2 cos square a minus 1. Okay, so what about tan 2a?
Yes, sir.
Tan 2a is simply you divide sin 2a by cos 2a. After simplification, you will get tan 2a is 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so and again tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. This is also another formula. Okay, if you want to split tangent or any trigonometric angle which is sum of two angles into as individual trigonometric angle, then this is the formula. Okay, these are all fundamentals.
Yes, sir.
Okay, before going for higher level solvings in the properties of triangles, you need to know whatever I said, these are all formulas, and also there are a lot of things, but these are the fundamentals. And now here comes sine rule.
Yes, sir. Could you go back once? The previous page. Previous to this. Yes, sir.
So suppose you take a triangle, so this is A, B, C. Suppose this is the height h. Okay, this is perpendicular for sure. This is the height h, and this is length small a, this is length small b, this is length small c. So now I am going to prove sine rule. Okay, so sine rule is nothing but, suppose you take this angle and this angle. Okay, so this is your perpendicular or height. Suppose this is t in triangle
Yes.
or right angle triangle ABD. What is sine B? Sine of angle B is what? H is the height. Okay, in triangle ABD.
Oh, sorry. H by C. H by small c.
Right. So h by small c. So h is equal to c sine b, right? You can write h is equal to c
Yes.
sine b. So in triangle
Yes.
ADC, what is sine c? Sine of angle c.
There is no D, no, sir.
Sine c.
B by H, sir.
B by h. This is a right angle triangle. See,
Oh, sorry, sine C. Okay, sorry.
even my this one is not working.
H by B, sir. H by B, sir.
H by b. So you can write h is equal to b sine c.
Yes.
Suppose this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. From these two equations, what you can conclude?
C sine B is equal to B sine C.
So you can write c sine b is equal to b sine c. Okay, or else you can
Yes,
write,
sir.
you take sine c here and sine b here. So you can write c by sine c is equal to b by sine b, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you can prove b by sine b is equal to a by sine a. If you take this as the altitude and you compare sine b and sine a, and this is the common height for both, so you can prove b by sine b is equal to a by sine a. Similarly, same. Okay, so this is what sine rule says.
Okay, sir.
Okay, this is what sine rule, and this is equal to 2 times circumradius. In general, if you draw a circumcircle, so this is the center, somewhere there is a center, then if this is the radius r, this is equal to 2r, 2 times this circumradius or diameter of this circle. Okay,
Yes.
these ratios. So basically side divided by sine of the opposite angle. For example, this is the side divided by sine of the opposite angle, which is a, are equal, right?
Yes, sir.
Which is equal to some constant, which is 2r. So this is sine rule. Okay,
Yes, sir.
one question. Okay, suppose this is 30, this is 60, and I have given this as 4. Find AC or length B. Find AC. Can you find what is AC, or can you find what is AB?
Yes, sir.
How will you find? I only gave BC is equal to 4 meters or anything. Yeah.
E
Yeah.
B by sine B, you will get AC
Yeah. B by sine B. Yeah. AC is nothing but
is
small.
equal to
B by sine B is equal to
AR. It's a 2R, sorry.
yeah, but I did not give you 2R. Okay. So in
Oh,
sine rule, you can equate any two of this thing and get the answer. Any two, not only 2R, you can equate any two.
okay, sir.
Use that idea to get the answer. So I have given only limited. Okay, you use
You
that.
gave the,
This one as
you
4.
can take A by
Yeah.
sine A.
Yeah. 4 by what is sine A?
Sine A is, we don't know. Sine B, we know is 30.
Yeah. Yeah. Can you find A? Yeah.
Yeah.
See, this is a triangle. I gave you two angles. I already
Yes,
gave you
sir.
two angles. Okay.
Oh, sorry. Oh, yeah, I didn't see that. 90 only, sir.
90, right? So they won't give you all the things. You have to find. Yeah. So you got two angles and one side.
Sine A.
Yeah. You can find it, right? Only this is the
Yes, sir.
variable. So what you will get?
It is 4 by 90. And this is B by
So what you will get?
20, 90. So 1.3.
4 into sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. I am getting 2. How did you got 1
I
point?
did not write it down. I did not write this down, sir.
Okay. So this is very simple, right? Sine 90 is 1.
Yes, sir. Yes, it's
So
very simple, sir.
4 into sine 30
Yes.
is 4 into 1 by 2, which is 2. So B is 2. If B is 2,
Yes.
what about, can you find AB?
Yes, sir, we can find.
How will you find?
B is C by sine C is equal to sine. Sine C is 60.
Yeah.
AB by sine 60
Is equal to?
is equal to 4 by sine 90.
So C is equal to?
AB by sine 90. 4 by 1 into sine 90 sine 60 root 3 by. AB is 4 into root 3 by 2.
Which is 2 root 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So C is 2 root 3.
Yes, sir.
That's it. Okay. This is how you need to
Yes.
find. Sometimes they may give you all the sides and they will ask you to find the angles, right? So you do accordingly.
Yes.
Now here comes the cosine rule. So you take a triangle.
Just 1 minute, sir. I'm writing down the before.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm done.
Suppose you take a triangle. Okay, so this is A, B and C. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so this is the altitude R perpendicular of height h, and this is supposed to be A, this is supposed to be B, and this is supposed to be C. So this is A, this entire length is A. So this is
Yes,
angle
sir.
B, this is angle C, and this is angle A. So what is suppose this is point D. So what is sine of angle B? This is a right angle triangle. Okay, triangle ADB is a right angle triangle. So what is sine
Yes,
B?
sir. H by C.
H by C, or else you can write H is equal to C sine B. Okay.
Yes.
Now, what is cos B?
Cos B is or is half of A or
Oh,
BD by C.
yeah, that is not half of A, it is BD. We don't know it is half or anything, but it is BD by C. Okay.
Sir, you told this is a perpendicular ray.
Yeah,
Oh,
this is
yeah.
this is
Yes.
perpendicular.
What is it?
It does not mean
Sorry,
this is
sorry.
not the
It's not
median.
half. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
it's not the
Yes.
median. It is altitude. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So BD is equal to C cos B.
C cos B.
Okay. So these are the two things you got. Now you take triangle ADC. So in triangle ADC, you apply Pythagoras theorem. Okay. So what you will get?
Lowercase b square is equal to dc square plus h square.
Square. So you substitute H is equal to C sine B here, and you know DC is nothing but A minus BD, right?
Yes, sir.
This total BC minus BD. BC is nothing but A minus BD. BD is C cos B. Okay, so you can substitute DC as A minus C cos B.
Yes, sir.
So substitute this DC here. So you will get B square is equal to DC is A minus C cos B whole square plus H square is C sin B whole square.
Okay,
Right?
sir.
Now just try to expand. So here this is A square plus C square cos square B minus 2AC cos B plus C square sin square B, right? So here there is C square and here there is C square. You can take C square common from these two terms. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you will get A square plus C square into cos square B plus sin square B minus 2AC cos B.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what you will get here? What is cos square B plus sin square B?
1.
1. So you can write B square as A square plus C square minus 2AC cos B. Okay, this is
Yes,
cosine.
sir.
This is nothing but the cosine rule. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you can write angle cos B as, okay, I don't know why it is writing like this, but yeah,
Yes, sir. Even when I am doing it is coming like that, sir.
okay. So you can write cos B as, so if I take cos B here, 2AC cos B and B square here, what you will get, 2AC cos B is A square plus C square minus B square, right? So you can write
Yes, sir.
cos B is equal to A square plus C square minus B square divided by 2AC. Okay, basically cosine rule relates sides with the cosine of the angle, whereas sine rule relates sides with the sine angle. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so similarly you can derive, I mean, if it is for B square, this is, if it is for A square, it is B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Okay, I don't know why
Yes,
this.
sir.
Okay. Similarly, for C square, it is A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. Okay, right?
Yes, sir. I wrote down, sir.
Okay. So, an example, suppose if I have given a triangle ABC, angle B is 30 degrees and is 30 degrees, okay, and AB is 4 and BC is 3. Okay, find AC. Okay, find AC by using yeah, whatever you use. Here you use cosine rule.
AC square is equal to uh, 3 square plus 4 square minus 2 into 3 cos cos 30.
Mhm.
And
Yeah, yeah, you just do it. I'm having a call. Hello, చెప్పమ్మా. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, did you get the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, so I'm giving another example. If you got the answer, that's fine. So another example is, suppose you take a triangle. So in this triangle, so these are the vertices. Suppose if I have given this as 3, 5 and 6, find any angle, this or this, any angle. How will you find? Any one angle, either angle A or angle B or angle C. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Just substitute and then substitute into that formula you will get, no, sir?
Yeah, I mean which form I mean which one you will use?
Cosine rule.
Yeah, cosine rule. I mean which, so if you want to find angle A, which one will you use?
Which what, sir?
I mean which equation will you use? If I ask you to find angle A, so
Oh, then I need to find. I should use sine rule.
no, not sine rule. In cosine rule only there are three formulas, right? So which formula will you use? With sine rule you will not get, because in sine rule you need at least one angle and one side. I mean two angles one side or one side two angles, right? But here I didn't give you any angle, only sides is given. So if I gave you only sides, you can only get the angle by using cosine rule. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll just do a square is equal to square plus c square minus 2bc cos a.
Yeah, a square is equal to
A
b
square is
square
equal to
plus c square minus 2bc cos a. Just plug in all the values, you can get
yes.
cos a. Okay, so a square is here 9, b square is 25, c square is 36 minus 2bc is 2, 5, 10, 60 cos a. So 60 cos a is equal to 25 plus 36 is whatever, 61. 61 minus 9, which is 52. So cos a is 52 by 60. So you will get 13 by 15. So whatever, I mean a is equal to cos inverse 13 by 15. Whatever the angle you will get, that is your answer. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, when
Yes.
when they have given only the three sides and no angle, if they ask you to find out any angle, use cosine rule, that's it. And also if they give you two sides and its included angle, then also you have to use cosine rule. Otherwise you can use sine rule. If they gave you two sides and one angle, or two angles and one side, you can use sine rule.
Yes.
So this is about cosine rule. Now, yeah, projection rule. Projection rule is nothing but, it's easy. Only thing is you need to understand. You need to understand what's happening in the diagram, in the triangle. Suppose this is A, B, C, and this is length small a, length small b, and length small c. Suppose if I have drawn an altitude or perpendicular, suppose this is h and suppose this is t. Now if I want to find a in terms of c and b, what you will do? So if you take this triangle ADB, so A is nothing but, small a is nothing but BD plus CD, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So what the projection rule says, so you have to, projection rule says you have to find A in terms of C and B. That means you need to project C here and B here and get the answer in terms of C and B. Okay. To find that, first you need to
Yes, sir.
find what is BD and what is CD in terms of C and B. Okay. In triangle ADB, what is BD? What is cosine B? Yeah, what is cosine B?
Yes. AD.
Cosine, not sine. In triangle ADB, what is cosine B?
BD by C.
BD by small c. So you can write BD as C cosine B. Similarly, in triangle ADC, okay, what is sine C? Not sine C. What is cos C?
C. It's just DC by small d.
So you can write DC as B cosine C, right?
B. Yes, sir.
So you just, now you got BD and CD in terms of C and B, right? So that is what
Yes,
projection
sir.
rule says. Now you have projected C onto A and B onto A, to the side BC. That is, A is equal to BD plus CD. So BD is C cos B plus B cos C. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, can you tell me B in terms of A and C? So now I am projecting this A. Okay, just change this color. Now I am projecting this A and C onto B. So from the projection rule, how will you find B?
B, sir.
Yeah, B using A and
B.
C. Yeah,
Okay. C cos A plus A cos C.
yeah, C cos A plus A cos C. That's it. Similarly, if I want to find C in terms of A and B, what would be your answer?
A cos B cos A.
Right. So this is, yeah, this is projection rule. Okay. Right. Suppose if I have given a question, suppose there is a triangle. Okay. So
Just 1 minute, sir. Right. Can you go back once, sir?
yeah.
Sir, in this chapter, many topics are there.
Yeah, many topics are there. I am just telling you the basic topics so that you can answer all the questions. These are all fundamental. Not the fundamental. These are the some of the topics. So I am going sine rule, cosine rule, projection rule, and tangent rule. And after that, you can answer remaining.
Yes. Yes, sir. Next page, sir.
Suppose
Next page.
yeah, this one. Okay. So this is ABC. So this is 30 degrees and this is 60 degrees. So I gave you this as 4 and this as 6. find BC. Using projection rule.
is equal to C 4 into cos 30 plus 6 into cos 60. I missed.
Yeah, so what you will get?
Sir, can you? I'm not able to.
What?
Okay.
You cannot see?
No, the screen something happened, sir.
Oh, okay. Can you see it now?
So yes, sir.
Okay.
For me, something happened. 4 into root 3 by 2 plus 6 into 1 by 2. So just 2 root 3 plus 3.
That's it. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, you can also
Yes, sir.
find other, you can find this angle and you can find this side, and you will get all the sides. Okay,
Yes.
so this is about projection rule. Now here comes tangent rule. So what does tangent rule says means, I mean, you have to convert tangent of a particular angle into sides. Okay, that's the relation. All the relation in all the things you are actually, if it is sine rule, sine of some angle is related to its sides, and cosine rule is cosine of some angle is related to its sides. Likewise here also.
Yes, sir.
Suppose if you have taken a minus b divided by a plus b, so you need to convert this into tangent, some tan of some angle, something like that. So what you will do, so before converting that, you know, from sine rule, you know, a by sine a is equal to b by sine b is equal to c by
C by
sine c.
Yeah.
So you can write it, I mean, you can equate these three things to 2r, some constant. So you can write a is equal to 2r sine a individually, and b is equal to 2r sine b, like that, right?
Yes.
So if you try to convert this into some angles, okay, so basically you can convert directly this into sine of the angles easily. So 2r sine a minus 2r sine b divided by 2r sine a. Okay, what happened? Plus 2r sine b. So
Yes.
so here 2r is common, right? So 2r will get cancelled. So only thing that will remain is sine a minus sine b divided by sine a plus sine b. Okay, I don't know why this is happening. Okay, now if you want to find the tangent, you need to convert this subtraction and addition into product, right?
Yes, sir.
So to convert the subtraction into product, sine a minus sine b can be written as 2 cos a plus b by 2 sine a minus b by 2. Okay, and sine a plus sine b
Yes.
is 2 sine a plus b by 2 and cos a minus b by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So here 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So what you can write? So you can divide cos and sine, or else you can divide sine and cos. Here this is sine a minus b by 2. You know that sine a by cos a is tan a, right?
Yes, sir.
I mean cos A is tan A. Similarly here, this angle and this angle are equal, both are A minus B by 2. So sin by cos A minus B by 2 is tan A minus B by 2.
Yes, sir.
So now here also you will get cos by sin is cot A plus B by 2.
Yes, sir.
So I can write cot A plus B by 2 as 1 divided by tan A plus B by 2. So I can erase this thing. So from this I have successfully converted the given sides into tangent of some angles. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you understand that? So this is tangent rule.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, can you tell me what is C minus D divided by C plus D in terms of tangent angle, I mean tangent of something?
Why D, sir?
Any angle. Yeah, it can be, you can take A,
Yes, sir.
yeah, C minus A by C plus A.
Tan C minus A by 2 by tan C minus A plus A by 2.
That's it. Okay, so likewise you do it for the remaining things. This is tangent rule.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I don't know what's happening. So another, I mean there are a lot of tangent rules, like you can take A plus B by C. How will you convert this into tangent of some angle? So simply you take 2r sin A plus 2r sin B, so you will get sin A plus sin B divided by sin C, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now you convert this sum into product. So what you will get? 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2, and you know sin 2A is 2 sin A cos A, but here you got C. Okay, so you can write C as 2 times C by 2, right? You
Yes,
can
sir.
write C as 2 times C by 2. I want to convert this C into sin C into 2 terms of sine, I mean 2 terms of some trigonometric identity, that is a product. So here sin 2 times C by 2 is written as 2 sin C by 2 into cos C by 2, right? Same thing I am writing. And also C is nothing but 180 minus A plus B, right? In a right angle, I mean in a triangle, angle C is 180 minus A plus B. So if I divide with 2, you will get 90 minus A plus B by 2, like this. So what is sin 90 minus A plus B by 2? Cos, right? Sin of 90 minus theta is cos theta.
Plus B by 2, sir.
Yeah, so you will get
Yeah.
2 cos A plus B by 2. And what is cos 90 minus A plus B by 2? Which is sin. Cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. Here theta is A plus B by 2.
Yes, sir.
So which is sin, okay, A plus B by 2. Okay. So which things will cancel here?
Sin A plus B by 2 will become just sin A plus B by 2 on the top.
Yeah. So this thing and this thing will get
The
cancelled.
cos A minus B by 2 by 2 cos.
So this 2 also it gets cancelled, divided by cos a plus b by 2. Yeah, I think in this way you won't get any tangent, but if you do a minus b by c, you will get here 2 cos a plus b by 2 and sine a minus b by 2, and in the denominator you will get 2 cos a plus b by 2 sine a plus b by 2. So this cos a plus b by 2, cos a plus b by 2 will get cancelled. So sine a plus b by 2, okay, and you are getting sine 2 cos sine, so sine by sine. No, yeah, I think you won't get any tangent from this. You will only get cos or sine like this. Okay, you will get tangents only if you sum it up and divide. You will get tangents. Okay, either addition of two sides and subtraction of two sides. If you do the ratio, then you will get tangent things. Okay, I mean, I'm saying you can also do it like this. If there are some questions where you need to do it like this, when there is something and you need to convert into trigonometric identities, so you need to first convert this into sin A and sin B and this into sin C, and then do accordingly. So that is tangent, that is about tangent rule. Now half angle formula. Okay, we know what is cos 2a. Cos 2a is simply cos square a minus sin square. Yeah, what is cos 2a?
It's 2 cos square a minus 1.
Yeah, right, 2 cos square a minus 1 or cos square a minus sin square a, because if I convert this into sin square a into 1 minus cos square a, you will get 2 cos square a minus 1. Suppose instead of this, if I want to convert only cos a in terms of this, so I can write cos a as cos 2 into a by 2. So in this case it is 2 cos square a by 2 minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
So if I want to find what is cos a by 2, then 2 cos square a by 2 is equal to 1 plus cos 2 into a by 2 is simply a. So cos square a by 2 is 1 plus cos a divided by 2. So cos a by 2 is square root of 1 plus cos a divided by 2 plus or minus, because if you do the square root, either you will get plus or minus. So this is half angle formula, right? Similarly, if I ask you what is tan a by 2, tan a by 2 is simply sin a by 2 by cos a by 2.
Yes, sir.
You already know that cos a by 2 is root 1 plus cos a by 2.
Yes, sir.
So you need to find sin a by 2 in terms of this. So I will find you. So cos 2a is written as cos square a minus sin square a, right? So instead of 2 cos square a minus 1, if I change this into sin square a, so I will get 1 minus 2 sin square a. So if I have cos a, then I can write cos a as cos 2 into a by 2, which is 1 minus 2 sin square a by 2. So from this I can find sin a by 2. So by taking sin 2 sin square a by 2 this side and cos a by 2 that side, so I will get 2 sin square a by 2 is 1 minus cos 2 times a by 2 is simply cos a. So sin a by 2 is square root of 1 minus cos a divided by 2. So tan a by 2 is sin by cos. Okay, sin a by 2 is root 1 minus cos a by 2, and cos a by 2 is root 1 plus cos a by 2. So here root 2 and root 2 will get cancelled. Only thing that will remain is 1 minus cos a root divided by 1 plus cos a.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if you want to just multiply numerator and denominator with 1 minus cos a, you will get 1 minus cos a whole square, and denominator it is a plus b into, I just want to remove the square root, so I am just multiplying with 1 minus cos a on both, I mean numerator and denominator, which is under square root. Okay,
Yes,
so in the
sir.
numerator you will get 1 minus cos a whole square, in the denominator you will get 1 minus cos square a. So 1 minus cos a whole square and root will get cancelled, so in the numerator you will get 1 minus cos a, and the denominator 1 minus cos square a is simply sin square a, right? So you will get sin a.
Yes, sir.
So you can use either this one or this one for tan a by 2. Okay, so this is half angle formulas.
Yes, sir.
So remaining things I think I will explain tomorrow. So only 50 or 60% of it is finished. Okay,
Yes, sir.
I think did you understand? So
Yes, sir.
to solve these questions you need to know the fundamentals, like what is sin 2a, what is sin a plus b, what is sin c plus sin d, or sin a plus sin b, cos a plus cos b, how to convert this into product of trigonometric identities, like that. Okay, then you can do these questions easily and derive
Yes,
any
sir.
formula. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so I will share this video and you can revise this. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
tomorrow I think I will take tomorrow 5 to 6. Are you free? I mean not morning, evening.
Tomorrow?